How to link your account with OK on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to link your account with OK on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines and click settings, and here you will find this one, account. Click on it and then click link account, and here you will find OK. Click on it and here just enter your OK account, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.